Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install a press button, also known as a snap button. This type of button is commonly used on dresses, tops, baby clothes and accessories. Let's quickly identify the parts, then I'll show you how to fix it neatly and securely. The pressed button has 4 parts. The cap, this is the smooth flat piece. It will be visible on the outside of the fabric. The socket, this part has a spring-like opening inside. The stud, this is the part with a raised bump that clicks into the socket. The base or ring, this holds the stud firmly in place. The cap and socket work together on one side, while the stud and base work together on the other side. To do this, you're going to be using a rivet machine. This comes in 4 dies, but we're going to be making use of 3 dies. So I'm going to put this one here like this. So I'm going to screw this one on this other side of the rivet machine. First, decide where you want your button to sit. Use a tailor's chalk or a pen to mark the exact position on both sides of the fabric. Accuracy here is very important, so your buttons aligns perfectly. So I'm going to take the cap and place it on the dies like this. Alright, with the right side facing down and the wrong side facing up. Then I'm going to take the socket with the right side facing up like this, and I'm going to fix it on this side of the machine. So I'm going to put my fabric this way. And I'm going to press gently twice and I'm done. Once done, check the front. The cap should be smooth and tight, not spinning. Now to install the stud and the base, I'm going to place the base of the ring on this dies this way. And then I'm going to insert the stud facing up this way. Then I'm going to place my dress or my fabric on it and press firmly. Just make sure everything is straight before pressing. Once both sides are fixed, bring them together and press. You should hear a clink click. Open and close it a few times to be sure it is strong and well installed. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't mix up the socket and stud. Always test on scrap fabric first. Make sure your fabric is not too thick or too thin for the snap size. Align properly before pressing to avoid damaging the button. And that's how you install a press button neatly and professionally. If this video has helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials. See you guys in my next video. Bye.